In this insert phase, we inserted the six records. We have the ID, the identifier for each member, and the second is the F name, the member's first name, and the last name is the last name of the members, and also the birth date, the members of birth, and the third is the address of the members, and lastly the attendance ID. The table displays that have six records row represent the each members and details, and the foreign key from the attendance ID. The table will put the ID and the status, which represent the record of presence and absence of the members.
The select statement in SQL is used to query the database and retrieve data. So this query is for selecting all records from table, retrieve all records from one table. From a specific table in SQL, you use the select statement with an asterisk to indicate that, that want to select all columns. Example, select all from table name. These all rows and columns from the members table retrieve all records from one to table. So select all from members. So the query is select all from members, and in this column. Retrieve records based on a condition. Example, right long. Retrieve record based on a condition so far. Example, retrieve member from Aquino. So this situation retrieve records where the name. So the query is select first name from members where last name Aquino. Where the output first name John Vincent and Renal John. Retrieve records using join operation to combine data from two or more tables. The query is select member that first name, member that last name, attendance that status from members join attendance on members that attendance ID equals attendance.id. The table is first name, last name, and status. John Vincent Aquino percent, real John Aquino percent, Ian J. Cabanis absent, and Mark Del absent, and Manager Adahar percent. So these setups allow for efficient management and querying of the member table with a database.
And now we already updated the birthday of John Vincent Aquino, and it turns into March 18, 1999. And use SQL query update member set birthday equals March 18, 1999, where members that ID equals 1 semicolon.
The delete statement in SQL is used to remove one or more records from tables. So when performing delete operations, it's important to become cautious as the deleted data cannot be recovered unless you have a backup of the database. So first is we are going to execute the deleting a single record. So in our query, we have delete from members where members ID is equal to 5. So in this statement, the table name is the name of the table from which we want to delete the record. So that's table members. And the condition is a logical expressions that specify the rows to be deleted. So this will delete the record from the numbers table where the ID column is equal to 5. So as we can see, the ID number under number 5 is already deleted.